One man's acting brand new with new wheels. Who is this guy? New wheels equals new problem. What problem do we have today, brother?
They don't clear the Brembos without spacers?
Exactly. No clearing Brembos without spacers. It's not really a big deal though, because we are testing to see if some 3 mils will clear the Brembo, since we currently have 7 or 8 mils. I don't remember the size of these spacers, but there's still a big gap, so we're gonna put 3 mil spacers and have a lot of thread still, and we'll be all right. But first of all, we gotta test them. Oh yes, sir. All right, where's the new spacers at?
They're in the...
Fucking fly. All right. Oh fuck. I say we test it first with the spacer before we put the ring on. New 3 mil spacer, extra cracked.
So like this one?
There you go, just like that. Hub centric, by the way. All right. Double spacers.
No, but you see the size?
Yeah. You fucking humongous dungas. All right. Round 2. Oh, come on, brother.
Fuck.
If it fits well, then we'll put the hub centric ring on. Hub centric is life. Hub centric everything. Come on, man, it's becoming a pro wheel setter. Is it clear? Are you hitting or no? Can't tell. I think you're clearing. Let's see. Give it a spin. It hella clears. I think. Maybe not. Oh, I think it's barely gonna clear, but like, or is it rubbing? I can't tell because the paint was already rubbed.
Put it on the rotors?
3 mil was a fail. Yeah, we'll do the rotors. 3 mil was a fail. But tomorrow, we have some 5 mils coming in, and it'll be easy claps. So Amazon did not want to ship us 3 mils and 5 mils on the same day. So 3 mils today came in. Tomorrow, 5 mils will come in, and 5 mils are guaranteed to fit. But we wanted to try 3 mils just to see if we use a smaller spacer to make it clear, you know. But it's all good. It is all good. We got this ready for action. In the meantime, we have new rotors and new brake pads to throw on this puppy. Extract.
Missing.
Ahaha! Attempt number 2 at spacer gang. 5 mils on deck. Yay!
I think it's this one.
Action. Camera's pointing at the wheel. Let's see how low we get. Dropped it a solid 1.25 inches, I think. Doesn't look pretty low yet. That's low it is. It's lower. We can go lower than that if you want. That is the height for now. I don't know if we're gonna go lower than that, but currently that's how we say it. Let's check the finger gap. It's about 3 fingers still. You can go lower still.
Wait, we need the Crocs.
Oh, I got the Crocs. I got my Vans.
We need
You bought a van. We need Adro. That's probably like 2 Crocs.
Yeah, probably.
I mean, it's lower than before, but if you want to go lower, we could probably drop it like another. Let's see. You could probably drop it another 1.5 inches, and it'll be like it'll close the wheel gap up.
Right.
Yeah, cause you got like 2 inches before you hit your tire, so if you drop it like 1.5 inches, again, another 1.5 inches, it'll close the wheel gap up almost completely.
But what do you think? Would I still be able to clear the apartment?
If you drop it like 1.3 inches, if you want to go super flush, you have to drop it like 2 inches.
Okay.
But I mean, I don't know if you want to do that.
I don't know.
It's a pretty good gap right now. I mean, it's not slammed on the ground, but
should we just do it?
If you want to do it, I'm down. So the game plan is to go lower by another, what did I say, Swerve? 1.5 inches? Another 1.5 inches. Let's keep spinning this puppy. shit, might have a good jack up. Yeah, I can get it out. Barely. How's that low life looking?
That looks...
Yes, the low life has been achieved. Look at that stance. That's perfect.
How many fingers is in that?
Like a finger and a half, maybe. I can only fit like a finger and a half in there.
Alright.
Good wheel gap. Yeah. I mean, no wheel gap's best, but this works.
Yeah,
Looks good.
Looks good, man.
Alright, let's tighten these up and pull the car out and let Kim Mingle's bike out, and then we'll do the backs.
Okay. See how low it is.
See how it sits.
Ooh.
How's it sitting? Let me see it.
It's pretty good.
Yes, sir.
That is right there.
That's perfect, dude. That's so fucking perfect.
That is right there, dude.
But damn, does that look good? Look at this fitment, ladies. Mmm. It's like 1.5 fingers, just like the fronts. Damn, we used the measurements based off of my car, and this came out really, really good. I'm fucking hyped, and it ain't even my car. Jesus. Other side matches, look at that. Other side matches so well. We gotta pull the whole car out though, that's what we gotta do. Pull this bitch out and take a good look at it. Finally, the car is dialed. Get this walk around. Get this walk around. Took long enough, but she's finally coming together. If you remember how I looked when we first got this thing, it's come a long way. Only thing we gotta do now really is sand the Bondo on the bumper, respray that, get a new emblem from the front grille because it says ST right now and we're not a Focus. Oh, so it might be a Focus, I don't know. But Jesus, dude. Look at that. Fitment. Look at that dude right there in the back. Me. This thing has come together though. It is definitely coming together. This is the best way to end the video, right? Look at this. Homemade Jamba Juice smoothies. I had no idea this existed until this guy said they exist. So we got some from Safeway, and now me and Sway are gonna be the guinea pigs and try this shit. Do your thing. Mix your boy.
And low setting for, okay.
This is it. The frozen at-home Jamba thing. Cheers, brother. Let's try this. It doesn't taste like Jamba Juice. It's very watery.
Yeah.
Maybe Mingo blended it too long. I mean, it's got a little bit of flavor, but I think Jamba doesn't use water. Either that or Mingo used too much water or you blended it too much.
Kind of tastes like it, but not really.
It tastes like it, just not as sweet. It's more of like a... It's just not as sweet. Like, not as sweet. Would I try it again? Yes. Would I blend it myself next time? Probably. It does taste like it's just not as sweet. Overall review of the at-home take home Jamba Juice razzmatazz. I swear the smell of this candle reminds me so much of Christmas time. This is like my favorite Bath & Body Works candle. It's so good. But anyways, once again, we have come to the end of another video. Ending it right here on the chair again. This is like my new spot to end videos. Feels pretty good. And let me say one thing before we end this video. Specs on the wheels. I didn't mention the specs. They are 18 by 9.5 inch with the plus 38 offset. I was trying to remember the specs, sorry. And they are Avid One wheels. Swave just kind of got some whatever wheels for right now because, I mean, they look good. Don't get me wrong, they do look really good. You want to get some wheels like kind of on the cheaper side for now so we can save up and buy the wheels that he really wants in the future. But they work. They look good and they work really well. And the red Lennox are really a good thing to set them off with. But before we go, that's not all I'm going to say. One thing, let me give you guys a preview for the next video, all right? This is exciting to me, even though it's not going to be like... It's going to be a change, a good change for the car, for me. But let me just give you a hint. It's nothing major. You might see the name and recognize it, but it's not going to be anything major, but it's going to be a pretty decent upgrade for me. You see this? If you know this brand, then you should know what's coming. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to drop those likes and subs because I appreciate all of them. I'll catch you guys later. Right, kitty? You're sitting back there being a kitty cat. Goodbye.